G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. This is episode 95 and today we are making the LYRE'S Negroni. So for the month of July, we are going to be supporting the Dry July Foundation. This foundation raises funds for those that are battling cancer or need some support, and it's all about not drinking alcohol for a month of July. So we're partnered with LYRE'S, who are a non-alcoholic spirit brand, who are also big supporters of Dry July. And the next 4 cocktails we make on the Weekly Mix-Up will be non-alcoholic cocktails for you to enjoy at home. So let's get started. Okay, so what you're gonna need for today is the LYRE'S Dry London Spirit. You're gonna need the Aperitif, Rosso, and also the Italian Orange, which is all from the LYRE'S collection. You're gonna need a Hawthorn strainer, you're gonna need a bar spoon, a mixing glass, a nice rocks glass, and either some fresh orange or dried orange. We're using our dried orange today. And a big ice cube, or just some small ice cubes. But we're also going to use a large ice cube to serve it over. All right, I think we're ready to go. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is grab your mixing glass. We're going to put a little bit of ice in there. And we're going to grab your dry London Spirit and serve. I didn't mention a Jigger, but that's kind of a staple in any cocktail. So you need a Jigger. So 30 mils of the dry London Spirit, straight into the mixing glass. The Aperitif Rosso, same thing, 30. Good thing with this cocktail is it's 30, 30, 30, so it's very easy. And then 30 mils of the Italian Orange. Alrighty. Now what we're gonna do is just give that a bit of a stir. Fling it down. All right, next step, grab your rocks glass, and we're gonna put in a large ice cube, just like that. Grab your Hawthorn strainer on top of your mixing glass, and just strain into the rocks glass. All right, and to garnish, just a half wheel of dried orange or fresh orange. And it is as simple as that. There you have the LYRE'S Negroni. Enjoy.